Good morning, Mr. G.
Hey, what's that?
Good morning, Sound Lab 3.
I'm ready to learn.
Excellent, because I've been working on something.
That sentence typically results in experiments.
You're not wrong.
I'm right. Two letters detected. Preparing for two sounds.
Maybe. Let's investigate.
Beep, boop, beep. Unexpected result detected.
Shh. What do you notice?
The letters are working together.
Exactly. Sometimes we discover new ways things can work together.
Like teamwork.
You want to know something? A long time ago, they had a problem.
Uh-oh.
People had this sound,
Shh.
but they needed a way to write it down.
A sound without a letter.
Exactly. So somebody had an idea that they would put S and H together. And now, when we see these two letters together, we know exactly which sound to make.
I know.
That's right.
Good invention.
Language is full of inventions.
S plus H equals shh.
That's right. People discovered a new way for letters to work together. All right, Sound Lab 3. Ready? Shh.
Ship.
Ship. Oh.
Shop.
Shop. Shh.
Eh.
Shed. Shed.
Shut.
Shut.
Like, shut the door. Shut the door.
Okay, that's enough SH for one day.
Okay, I will shh.
Today, we discovered SH. Two letters, one sound. Shh. See you next time.
Like and subscribe.
And now, when we see these two letters, where'd they go? These two letters